Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous class we have discussed about moment of force. Moment of force is also called what? Torque. The symbol is tau. The symbol is what? Tau. Understood? And tau depends on the magnitude of force and distance. Means distance from the pivoted point. Clear? Today's topic is moment arm. Moment arm. Okay? Moment arm. What is moment arm? What is moment arm? The distance between the, suppose you have to apply force here and it is pivoted in this point. It is pivoted in this point and you have to apply force. So in this case, this distance is called moment arm. So the distance between the pivoted point and the line of action of force, that is called moment arm. Clear? Have you seen or not? I don't know. One spanner you have seen or not? Spanner like it is used in what? In garage they are using. So this spanner is having a long handle. Means here the handle or the distance is more from that what? This pivoted point. How and why this is? Here one a long handle is there to decrease our pressure, to decrease our what? Magnitude of force, to decrease our what? Magnitude of force. When this distance is high, when this is the longer distance, means one distance is more, then what? Less force is required to turn the knot, to tie it, to loose the knot, less force is required. If small one you are taking, what? Small one you are taking, then what? Here it requires a large amount of, the magnitude of force is needed more. Understood? So that always a long spanner is used. Why? Because if the distance is more, then the force required is less. If the distance is more, the force required to turn in moment of force, the force required is what? Less. Because we know that moment of force is equal to F into D. If force you want to reduce, distance you will increase. If you want to increase the distance, then force needed less. If you want more force, means if you want to apply more force, then distance reduce. Already I told one example about our door. Understood? In our home, door is there, here hinge one there. Clear? Here less force is required. But less force is required when you are applying force at the handle, whereas at the middle little more force, at the just near the hinge large amount of force is needed to open or close the door or grill, whatever maybe it is there in your home. Understood? Next, clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. What? Clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. First one, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and what? Anti-clockwise. Suppose, have you seen or not one seesaw you have seen in what? Our park, in children's park or any other park, they are using what? Seesaw. We are also using seesaw. Here pivoted point is there. Here one load, one person is sitting here, another person is what? Sitting here. This person wants to move this side, this person wants to move this side. It means this is called clockwise direction and this is called anti-clockwise directions. This is called what? Clockwise direction and this is called anti-clockwise directions. Understood? Next, this clockwise is always taken as negative, whereas the anti-clockwise is taken as positive. It means negative is our what? Clockwise direction, whereas anti-clockwise direction is what? Positive. Understood or not? Next one. When it is rotating, when something is rotating, suppose you will take one what? Our what? Steering wheel of a car. This part will move this side and another part will move this side. Understood or not? This is called moment of couple. Moment of couple. What? Moment of couple. When one part is moving in one side, another part is in opposite direction, and equal force and opposite direction, then that is called moment of couple. So question will come, what is couple or what is moment of couple? Two equal and opposite force acting on a same body, then what? That is called moment of couple. Clear? Next one. Our rotational equilibrium is there. You know that if it will rotate or not when the driver is what? Holding the steering wheel, the person is rotating, yes or no? That is called rotational equilibrium. When it is called rotational equilibrium, if both the moments are equal, sum of the clockwise moment means clockwise moment how much, anti-clockwise moment is that much, that is called rotational motion. Means clockwise how much distance, anti-clockwise suppose that much distance it is moving, then it is called what? Our rotational equilibrium. Equilibrium means equal amount. In magnitude will be what? Equal. Clear? Next one, clockwise and anti-clockwise moment. You know, if it is moving clockwise direction, then it is called clockwise moment, and otherwise it is called what? Anti-clockwise moment. Understood? Clockwise is taken as negative, anti-clockwise is taken as positive. Next one. Suppose question is coming. What type of question? A body is pivoted at a point. A force of 5 Newton is applied at a distance of 50 centimeter from the pivot point. One pivot point is there. In this distance, how much Newton of force is applied? How much Newton? 5 Newton of force is applied, and this distance is how much centimeter from the pivot point? 50 centimeter. So distance given 50 centimeter. Centimeter is not the SI unit, so convert into SI unit. 50 by 100 is equal to how much? 0 cot 0.5 meter. Whereas force is how much Newton? 5 Newton. How much Newton? 5 Newton. Now tau means moment of force. Moment of force is equal to formula what? F into T. F how much? F is 5 Newton into 0.5 meter. When you will multiply, what you will get? 5 into 0.5, 2.5 Newton meter. What you will get? 2.5 Newton meter. Understood or not? Another example is there. A car mechanic apply a force of 25 Newton. A car mechanic apply a force of this one. Understood? Let's see, 5 Newton force is applied. How much distance? 50 centimeter distance. So centimeter converted to meter. Then force is given 5 Newton. Tau is equal to F into D, direct 2.5 Newton meter. Because Tau's unit is Newton meter. Understood? Next one. In this example, one boy is sitting. That is, the weight of the boy is 220 Newton. 2.5 centimeter from the pivot point. Another boy is sitting which is having how much? 200 Newton weight at a distance from 2 centimeter from the what? Pivot point. Another person is sitting, one fat person is there sitting, that is what? The weight is 600 Newton. Question asked, in how much distance from the pivoted point the person is sitting. Now I told sum of clockwise movement is equal to sum of anti-clockwise movement. Understood? First, sum of clockwise movement. Clockwise means that will move to this side. Clockwise movement means what? Distance is x and force is how much? 600. So 600 into x is equal to sum of anti-clockwise movement. Anti-clockwise movement how much? Anti-clockwise movement is what? 220. See, force and distance how much? 2.5 plus another person also. The force is what? Anti-clockwise movement. So 200 into distance is equal to 2 centimeter. Understood or not? Clear? Now x we want. Here you can convert into meter. You cannot convert into meter. No problem. Clear or not? So 600 x is equal to 200. 220 into 2.5 how much? This is 400 and this is 450. Yes or no? 400 into 450. Sorry, 550. 400 into 550 plus. Then how much? 600 x is equal to 950. X is equal to 950 divided by 600. You will got answer. You will get. Understood? The answer will be 1.58 centimeter. This is all about your clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. Understood? One homework is there. You will do one homework. Suppose it is seesaw. One person is sitting here. The person weight is 600 Newton, sitting 2 meter from the pivoted point. Another person is having 1200 Newton, means the weight is 1200 Newton. Find the distance from the pivoted point. The second person is sitting. This is the homework. Means x you will find. Clear? The distance between this person to the pivoted point you will find. Same method you will use. This is your what? Homework. Clear? Up to this much? Understood? Today up to this much. Next class we will start our what? Pressure we will start. So up to this much you will just complete. Understood? Okay. Next class we will read about pressure. How pressure increases. How can you decrease pressure? How can we increase pressures? What is pressure? Unit of pressure. How it is related with our thrust, force and what area. Understood? Goodbye.